In recent years, one question has been bothering almost everyone. Why is hair loss increasing year by year, and why has it become such a serious problem today? In the past, hair loss was considered a natural process. Today, however, it affects people of all ages. What's most interesting is that many people try to fix hair loss using external products, while the real problem is not actually in the hair itself. In today's video, we will clearly answer 3 key questions. What is hair really? How does it grow? And most importantly, why does it fall out? We will also discuss the 5 most important causes of hair loss today and their scientifically based solutions. Before we talk about hair loss and how to fix it, we first need to understand one simple question. What is hair, actually? The hair we see on our head is not alive. It does not feel pain, it cannot heal itself, and it cannot regenerate. The real, living part of the hair is hidden under the skin. This part is called the hair root, also known as the hair follicle. The hair follicle is located deep inside the skin in a layer called the dermis. It is inside this follicle that hair is formed, grows, and receives everything it needs to survive. So when we talk about hair health, we are not really talking about the hair we see on the surface, but about what is happening beneath the skin. Around the hair root, there are tiny sebaceous glands. These glands produce a special oil that keeps the hair moisturized, protecting it from breaking and drying out. If the balance of this oil is disrupted, the hair can become either too dry or excessively oily. According to scientific research, hair grows at an average rate of 0.3 to 0.5 millimeters per day. This means that in a month, hair grows approximately 1 to 1.5 centimeters. The average human scalp has between 100,000 and 150,000 hair strands. For this reason, hair is the fastest growing part of the body after nails. Hair color is determined by a special pigment called melanin. The more melanin present, the darker the hair color. As we age, or due to stress or genetic factors, melanin production can decrease, causing hair to turn gray and weaken. One of the most common causes of hair loss is stress and hormonal imbalance. When the brain experiences excessive stress, cortisol and other stress hormones increase. This can slow down the activity of hair follicles, weakening them over time. As a result, hair starts to fall out more quickly, becomes thinner, and may even lose its color. The solution begins with managing stress. Practices like meditation, yoga, regular exercise, and sufficient sleep can significantly support hair health. Additionally, consulting a specialist to restore hormonal balance is important. In some cases, supplements such as B vitamins, biotin, and zinc can be beneficial. Finally, a healthy diet and proper hydration also contribute to stronger, healthier hair growth. Another major cause of hair loss is poor nutrition and vitamin deficiency. For strong and healthy hair growth, the body needs enough proteins, vitamins, and minerals. If your diet lacks these essential nutrients, hair becomes weak and falls out more easily. The solution starts with maintaining a balanced and healthy diet. Make sure you get enough protein, omega-3 fatty acids, iron, and vitamins, especially B vitamins and biotin. If necessary, consult a doctor to take additional vitamin or mineral supplements. Also, staying properly hydrated supports overall hair health and growth. The third common cause of hair loss is genetics and family history. If your parents or close relatives experienced hair loss, you may be more predisposed to it as well. Although genetics cannot be completely changed, there are scientifically proven solutions. Treatments like minoxidil and finasteride can help strengthen hair follicles. Additionally, maintaining a healthy lifestyle, balanced diet, and managing stress can help reduce the impact of genetic predisposition. The fourth common cause of hair loss is harsh chemical treatments and excessive styling. Frequent coloring, perming, keratin treatments, or heat styling tools can weaken hair follicles, making hair more prone to breakage and shedding. To protect your hair, minimize chemical treatments or rely on a professional stylist. Use heat styling tools carefully and always apply heat protectant products. Regularly moisturize your hair with oils or masks and maintain a healthy hair care routine to strengthen follicles. The fifth common cause of hair loss is poor hair care and lifestyle factors. Improper washing, overwashing, excessive pulling, daily stress, lack of sleep, and dehydration can all negatively impact hair health. To maintain healthy hair, wash your hair 2 to 3 times a week with a gentle shampoo. Avoid excessive pulling and use heat styling tools carefully. Ensure adequate sleep, manage stress, and drink plenty of water. Regularly moisturize your hair and strengthen it with proper nutrition and hair care products. So, these are the 5 main causes of hair loss and their solutions. Remember, healthy hair starts from proper nutrition, balanced lifestyle, gentle hair care, and managing stress. We hope you found this video useful and learned something new about keeping your hair strong and healthy. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching.